And of course, having the ability to set your own schedule, of course, as a contractor and now as an entrepreneur, has it given you time to, spend more time with your family? Has it given you travel opportunities? What has it kind of done for you on that end?
Definitely. So at the beginning, when I first started the entrepreneur business, I was, very strained working 5 days a week as an optometrist. I was so involved with the church as well as doing volunteer work. I was very drained, almost burnt out. But once I started building my skincare business, after 2 years, I was able to cut down my 5-day work week down to 4. And literally all of last year is mostly traveling, just having fun, meeting people, hanging out with my family. So I had a blast.